Lance Tyler here from ActionKPI. Welcome to the Integrated Planning video series, Speed Track Edition. In this video, we're going to focus on how the workflow is applied to the planning process, and more specifically, how you can leverage your existing Excel-based input templates to capture planning, budgeting, and forecasting information. We're looking at a typical Excel report or P&L template. The difference is that it has a live connection to the Planning Analytics cube. This is done through a simple formula, which really defines the coordinates or the intersection of the Planning Analytics cube. In this case, we're looking at the total company, current forecast, functional currency for 2020. The key aspect to understand is that you can leverage your existing process and specific Excel input templates and just connect them directly to the Planning Analytics cube. This is great because it mitigates risk around change in user adoption, as it's very familiar or in some cases an exact replica. In addition, you can leverage your existing Excel skills within the organization to build an unlimited number of templates and reports. Now let's see how the Excel template is incorporated into the workflow planning process. This is the workflow landing page, which displays the corporate hierarchy. We are now going to click on Global Operations, US Operations, and click the link to open the workflow planning application. We can now see the template is exactly the same. However, as we selected US Operations, we only see that aspect of the corporate hierarchy and the underlying cost centers. At this point, we're now ready to update the forecast. We're going to increase revenue for the forecasted periods by 2% to increase gross margin. We are now going to submit our forecast for approval. As you can see, the US Operations division is now locked down. To summarize, within the workflow planning process, we were able to leverage existing Excel templates and connect them directly to the Planning Analytics cubes, where it consolidates all that information into one single source of truth. Then by applying workflow and security, you can push responsibility and accountability down to the individuals that truly own the numbers, such as sales, finance, or operations. Thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to subscribe to our newsletter and check out the Modern Finance Professional Forum in the link below, as we have lots more videos, events, and content coming your way.